In previous video we have discussed on the antonymy, and there is an example of fat and thin. Let's continue. The difference between them is the difference of degree or scale, and so they can occur in comparative and superlative forms. For example, fatter, thinner, fattest, thinnest, faster, fastest. If clear, either or conditions are expressed such as dead, alive, or in out, these are called complementary antonyms. When two words represent two sides of a relationship such as husband wife, parent child, borrower lender, they are called converse or relational antonyms. Husband wife, parent child, borrower lender, they are called converse or relational antonyms. Let's see. Complementary antonyms and converse or relational antonyms are ungradable antonyms. They do not have comparative and superlative forms because the difference between them is absolute and it is not a question of scale or degree. Hence, forms like deader or deadest are impossible. Given below are few examples of different kinds of antonyms. So there are antonyms. Here are examples like advocate, inadvocate, alive, dead, beautiful, ugly, compulsory, optional, conscious, unconscious, cruel, kind, decrease, increase, empty, full, friendly, unfriendly, grateful, ungrateful, hard, soft, easy, loyal, disloyal, noble, ignoble, optimist, pessimist, possible, impossible, reject, accept, superior, inferior, unfortunate, fortunate, vacant, and full, virtue and vice. So this is all about the antonyms. Now we have to move another point of the lexical, that is homonymy. Homonymy refers to the presence of two words which have the same form. Homonymy refers to the presence of two words which have the same form, written or spoken or both, but have different meanings. For example, the word sole refers to the bottom of the shoe, but sole is also type of fish. This example illustrates absolute or total homonymy because spelling are written in same but their meaning is quite differ. In this kind of homonymy, the two words have same spelling and same pronunciation but they have different unrelated meanings. Let's see, there are some homonymy are given below. Bear, it means animal. Bear means to carry. Bank, bank of a river. Bank, a financial institution. Pupil, eyeballs. Pupil, students. Bat, one that is used to play cricket. Bat, a nocturnal flying animal. Mummy, a word used to address mother. Mummy, a dead body, preserved artificially. Sage, a wise person. Sage, a kind of plant. This is a homonymy which write same spelling but their meaning are quite differ. Let's see, another point is homography and homophony. Homography and homophony represent two different kinds of partial homonymy. Homography and homophony represent two different kinds of partial homonymy. Homographs are words that are spelled the same. Remember, homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different pronunciation and different meanings. This is very important point for your objective examination, your MCQ questions. You should read carefully and you find out its importance, points or elements. Homographs are words that are spelled the same. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different pronunciation and different meanings. The word tear may mean to pull something to pieces. Tear means to pull something to pieces, or the salty liquid that is secreted from the glands of the eye. Here the words are spelled identically but they are pronounced differently. Tear and tear, 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 and they have entirely different meanings. Let's see, look at the more examples. Lead, a kind of metal. Lead, lead and lead, as to lead the people. Wind, air in motion. Remember, wind and wind, though it is a similar spelling, but it's pronounced differently and their meaning is quite. If we pronounce in different ways similar spelling, then we get the another meaning. Let's see. Wind, air in motion. Wind, to wrap, twist something around itself. Sow, to put seeds in soil for future growth. Sow, a female pig. So this is all about the homographs. Let's see homophones. Homophones are words which have identical pronunciation. Homophones are words which have identical pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. For example, meat and meat, both pronounced as meat, or flower and flour. Flower and flour, flour and flour, both pronounced as flour. See few more examples of homograph or homophones. Homophones means words which have identical pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. For example, meat, M-E-A-T, meat, M-E-A-T, meat. So flower, flour, flour, F-L-O-W-R, F-L-O-U-R, flour. Though it is pronounced similar, but their meaning is quite different. Let's see. I'll, fit, fit, soul, soul, right, 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 R-I-G-S-T, R-I-T-E, W-R-I-T, in, I-N, I-N, in means into, in means hotel. Next, sight, sight, sight means spectacles, sight means construction site. Pale, pale, sun, sun, sun means sun, sun means lad. New, new, new means new one, new means to know. Sea, sea, sea means ocean, sea means to look. Here, 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 here. Those spelling are different but pronunciation are similar. Lesson, lesson. Lesson means to reduce and lesson means to give a lesson. Well, well. Rick, rick. Tot, tot. Slay, slay. Bridal, bridal. Peer, peer. This is a words called, or it is known as homophones. Phones means sound. Homo means similar, but their spelling and meaning are quite different. This is all about it. Let's see another point in next video.